In this video, I'll show you how to install XAMPP in Windows 11. Just go ahead over to your favorite browser and type in XAMPP, XAMPP, and hit on enter. Once done, just go ahead over to the first link and click on download. Alright, now this page will pop up. What we're going to do in here is just select Windows. As the title suggests, we're going to install it on Windows 11. So as you can see here below, which is pretty much the latest, 8.2.12. So let's go ahead and download this one and wait for the page to load. Now, as you can see, awesome, your download will start automatically. If it doesn't, click here. Let's just wait for something to happen. As you can see here, the download page will pop up. Yours might be different. You'll be able to see your download progress right here. All right, now I'm using IDM. I'm just going to go ahead and start the download right here. And as you can see, it's pretty fast. All right. Once that's done, I'm going to hit on open folder. Now I'm going to right click on XAMPP, right click on it and run as administrator. There will be a pop-up. Just click on yes. I'm just going to go ahead and close this one. Close. Now as you can see here, it has a warning. Just hit on OK and the installation process will begin. Welcome to XAMPP Setup Wizard. Just hit on next. On here, you don't have to change anything. Hit on next. If you want to, you can go ahead and change the installation directory, but just click on this folder right here and you'll be able to install it on any folder and on any drive that you want. C, program files, x86. I'm going to hit on OK, hit on next. So it says here the selected folder is not empty. Please select a different one. I'm going to hit on OK. So we'll need to make a folder for XAMPP. Let's go ahead over to our file explorer. This PC, local disk C. Now I'm going to go ahead and make a folder right here. New folder for XAMPP. Hit enter. Now I'm going to just go back a little, then go back to next. Click browse. Then I'm going to go ahead over to C right here. Close this one and find XAMPP. Hit OK. Then hit next. Now in here in language, just click on the drop down if you want to select either Dutch or English. I prefer English, so I'm going to hit on next. Setup is now ready to begin installing XAMPP in your computer. Just hit on next. And here, let's just wait for the process to finish. As you can see here, the process is done. There will be a prompt. Do you want to allow public and private networks to access this app? Just hit on allow and wait for it to load. Once done, this page will pop up. Setup has finished installing XAMPP on your computer. Do you want to start the control panel now? If you wish, just go ahead over to finish. Alright, click on it and wait for XAMPP to load. Now if you want to make a XAMPP shortcut on your taskbar or here in the desktop, as you might remember, we have created a folder right here on drive C, XAMPP. Scroll down a bit, look for XAMPP control, press Ctrl plus C key on your keyboard to copy it. Minimize this one. Click on a blank space on your desktop. Ctrl plus V to paste the shortcut. Alright. If you want to put this right here, as you can see, it is opened. While it's opened, we're going to right click on it and we're going to pin it to taskbar. Alright. So when we close this one, you still be able to see XAMPP control panel on your taskbar. Just click on it to open. Now we're going to test Apache and MySQL. There'll be a pop-up again. Do you want to allow public and private networks to access this app? For MySQL, hit on allow. As you can see here, both are running. Now here is our port, which is 80. So what we're going to do with that is just go ahead over to our favorite browser. Now we're going to want to type in 127.0.0. The port, which is 80, right? 80/dashboard. Once that's done, just hit on enter. And as you can see here, we have our dashboard. Again, don't forget about the port, which is right here. All right, for Apache. All right. If you want to go to your PHP My Admin page, just click on it and there you have it. That's basically how you install XAMPP in Windows 11. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.